Well, we got multiple size VFD booster pump systems for city water. This one here is a 140 gallon a minute booster pump system. We also have a 100 gallon a minute system. We have a 200 gallon per minute, and we have some smaller sizes systems as well. With this system here, really what we're doing is trying to do two different things. We're trying to maintain a consistent pressure throughout the entire car wash. So whether the car wash needs 8 gallons a minute or it needs 100 or 120 gallons a minute, this system is going to deliver a consistent 50 psi to the equipment in the car wash that need water or pressure.
Okay. How's it work?
So basically what we're doing is really simple. We're getting water, we're either connecting right here from either a city water line or gravity feeding from a holding tank, and we're pressurizing the water. We're monitoring through a pressure switch here, and we're just going to maintain that 50 psi or whatever setting we have in here. With this system here, we can get up to around 55 psi. The happy medium was right in that 50 to 55 psi setting. Everything will come default set at 50 psi. But again, whether you're flowing 8 gallons a minute or 120 gallons a minute, you're going to maintain 50 psi through the entire system.